This is question number 55 of IIT JAM Economics 2021 paper. Let's see what the question has to say. The optimal value of constrained optimization problem. You're given an objective function. You're given some condition and you have to find the optimal value. Now let's go ahead and see how to form it. So I'm forming a Lagrange and I'm saying 2xy, and let's write down the objective function. What is it? 2xy. What is the constraint? 9x squared plus 4y squared less than equal to 36. So plus lambda 36 minus 9x squared minus 4y squared. Del L by del x would be 2 plus lambda minus 18x is equal to 0. So you will get 2, here we'll have y. So you'll get 2y is equal to 18 lambda x. This is equation 1. Del L by del y would be 2x plus lambda minus 8y equal to 0. So you will get 2x is equal to 8 lambda y. This is equation 2. Del L by del lambda would be 36 minus 9x square minus 4y square is equal to 0. So from here you will get back your original constraint. 36 is equal to 9x square plus 4y square. Now, once we have got this, I am going to divide equation 1 by 2 and I will get 2y by 2x is equal to 18 lambda x by 8 lambda y. So I would get, this will be 9, this will be 4. 4y square is equal to 9x square, right? Now I'll put this back in equation 3, which is my constraint. So putting equation 4 in 3, you will get 36 is equal to 9x square plus 9x square, because we know that 4y square is equal to 9x square. So instead of 4y square, I'll put 9x square. So I will get 18x square is equal to 36. So x square will be 36 by 18. X square will be 2. So x will be plus minus root of 2. This is our equation, answer 1. Now, what was y really? Y was, so we had 4y square is equal to 9x square. From this, we get y is equal to 9 by 4 x square under root. So we get 3 by 2 under root of x with plus and minus. And, not under root of x, just x. And we know that x is root 2 plus minus. So we get y is equal to plus minus 3 by 2 root 2. So this can get cancelled and I will be left up with y is equal to plus minus 3 by root. Now, if you go back to the constraint, you will see that the constraint is not with equality, but with inequality. So I will go ahead and plot this once. We know that this is an equation of an ellipse because I am getting 9x square plus 4y square less than equal to 36. So if I put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, I will get 0 plus 0 less than equal to 36, which means 0 less than equal to 36. This is true. So I will go ahead and shade region towards the origin. Now what I'm going to do is, we have got some values here. When x is 0, what are the values y can take? y can take 36 by 9, 36 by 4 under root with a plus and a minus sign. So when x is 0, y is going to be 9 under root with plus and minus. This is going to be plus minus 3. And when y is 0, then what are the values x can take? It is going to be 36 by 9 under root plus minus, which will be plus minus 4 under root, which will be plus minus 2. So if I have to plot this thing, I will have x here. I will have y here. This is 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3. And I have minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. So this is somehow how my ellipse is going to look like.